All right, everybody, we're getting our plants in here. Here's our new refrigerator. Y'all see DJ Benz on there? This is our new refrigerator. God just get all the glory. God get all the glory. We'll be showing y'all as we continue to get our appliances. Got the washer and dryer, so they're washing it. Everybody remember, God is great, God is amazing, God is awesome. Do all you can while you can. We all going to win. Look at DJ Vance. Morning Entertainment, y'all check them out every Wednesday. This is our new fridge. Thank you, Jesus. We give you the glory.